Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After you have recorded the time that your employees or subcontractors spend performing services for a customer's job, you can bill the customer for the work performed in an invoice. To do this, create an invoice by selecting Customers from the menu bar and then choosing the Create Invoices command. Then use the Customer Job drop-down in order to select the customer job to which you have assigned billable time. When you do this, QuickBooks will then display the Billable Time and Costs window. To bill the time, select the Outstanding Billable Time and Costs to add to this invoice option button, and then click the OK button to continue and open the Choose Billable Time and Costs window. Note that even if you select not to bill the time and costs at that moment, later on, you can still click the Add Time Costs button that appears within the Main tab of the ribbon at the top of the invoice to open the Choose Billable Time and Costs window. Now in the Choose Billable Time and Costs window, click the Time tab to display the billable hours that have been recorded for the selected customer job. Select the hours to bill to the customer by clicking into the leftmost column next to each line item in order to mark it with a check mark. If you would like to choose how QuickBooks will import the timesheet data into the invoice, then click the Options button in the upper right corner of the tab to open the Options for Transferring Billable Time dialog box. Here you can select the desired option button to indicate how you want the time data to be imported. Then click the OK button to set your desired preference and return to the Time tab. You can then check the Print Selected Time and Costs as one invoice item checkbox to add all of the selected billable time and costs to the invoice as a single item if needed. Once you've checked the billable hours, simply click the OK button to add them to the invoice. You can then complete and save the invoice as you normally would, and then close the Create Invoices window once you are finished.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.